The natural world, a tapestry of life in all its beauty and wonder. We've journeyed to the highest mountains and the deepest oceans, revealing creatures that defy explanation. But what if I told you there are animals that can shapeshift, live forever, or see colors we can't even imagine? Join me now as we venture into the heart of the animal kingdom to explore the mind-blowing superpowers that have evolved over millions of years. From the ocean depths to the frozen Arctic, prepare to be astonished by nature's most extraordinary feats. These are not creatures of myth or legend, but living, breathing marvels that demonstrate the boundless creativity of evolution. Here, in the coral reefs of Indonesia, lives a creature that could rival the most skilled actor, the mimic octopus, a true master of disguise. This cephalopod can change its shape, color, and behavior to impersonate other animals. Watch as it morphs from a sea snake to a flatfish, blending into the seafloor. Its skin mimics textures and patterns with uncanny accuracy. This ability is a vital survival strategy. It can resemble a lionfish, scorpionfish, or even a jellyfish. This shape-shifting deters predators and ambushes prey. The mimic octopus, a testament to the power of adaptation. Our next encounter brings us face to face with a creature that paints the underwater world with vibrant hues, the cuttlefish. These masters of camouflage possess a secret weapon, millions of pigment-filled cells called chromatophores. Like tiny biological pixels, these chromatophores can expand and contract in milliseconds, allowing the cuttlefish to change its skin color and pattern with breathtaking speed. Imagine transforming from a sandy brown to a dazzling display of stripes and spots in the blink of an eye. But the cuttlefish's abilities go beyond simple camouflage. They can communicate with each other through intricate displays of flashing colors, signaling aggression, courtship, and even alarm. Scientists believe that cuttlefish can even use their color-changing abilities to hypnotize prey, lulling them into a trance before snatching them up with their lightning-fast tentacles. In the underwater ballet of survival, the cuttlefish stands out as a true artist, using its mesmerizing display to thrive in a world of constant change and fierce competition. Deep in the rainforests of Central and South America lives a creature so translucent it seems to vanish into thin air. This is the glass frog, a master of camouflage. Its skin reveals its internal organs and beating heart. On a leaf, it becomes nearly invisible. This transparency is a brilliant survival strategy. It helps the glass frog evade predators. Imagine a snake slithering past, oblivious to the tiny frog. At night, it blends with the moonlight, hunting for insects. The glass frog, a testament to ingenious survival. Our journey takes us to the depths of the ocean, where we encounter the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. This tiny creature, no bigger than a fingernail, can revert to its juvenile polyp stage when stressed. Its cells undergo transdifferentiation, reverting to a younger, stem cell-like state. This allows the jellyfish to theoretically live forever, renewing its life cycle repeatedly. Scientists study this creature, hoping to unlock its age-defying secrets. The quest for immortality might already have an answer, hidden within our oceans. In the ancient lakes of Mexico, we encounter a creature that seems to have stepped straight out of a science fiction novel, the axolotl. This enigmatic salamander possesses an astonishing ability that has captivated scientists for centuries: regeneration. Unlike most animals, which can only repair wounds to a limited extent, the axolotl can regenerate entire limbs, its spinal cord, even parts of its heart and brain. Imagine losing an arm and simply growing a new one, with no scarring or lasting damage. This remarkable ability is due to the axolotl's unique healing process. When injured, its cells rapidly divide and differentiate, rebuilding the missing tissue with incredible precision. Scientists are studying the axolotl's regenerative powers intensely, hoping to one day unlock the secrets to human tissue regeneration. Imagine a world where spinal cord injuries, limb loss, and even organ failure could be reversed through the power of regeneration. The axolotl, a living testament to the potential of nature's healing power. Our journey takes us now to the heart of Africa, where we meet a creature that defies the boundaries between land and water, the lungfish. This ancient fish possesses a remarkable adaptation that allows it to survive in conditions that would kill most other fish. When the dry season arrives and the rivers and lakes begin to evaporate, the lungfish burrows into the mud, secreting a mucus cocoon around itself. There it can survive for months, even years, without food or water, breathing air through a primitive lung. Imagine being able to hold your breath for years, surviving in a state of suspended animation until conditions improve. That's essentially what the lungfish does, its body slowing down to conserve energy. When the rains finally return, the lungfish emerges from its muddy slumber, ready to resume its life in the water. The lungfish, a testament to the resilience of life and the extraordinary adaptations that allow animals to thrive in even the harshest environments. Our next encounter brings us face to face with a creature that possesses one of the most complex visual systems in the animal kingdom, the mantis shrimp. This small but mighty crustacean doesn't just see the world differently than we do, it sees a completely different world. While humans have 3 types of color receptors in our eyes, the mantis shrimp has 12 to 16, allowing it to perceive a spectrum of colors we can only imagine. Imagine seeing ultraviolet light, infrared light, and even polarized light all at once. But the mantis shrimp's visual prowess doesn't end there. It can also see circular polarized light, a type of light that humans can only create with special filters. This allows the mantis shrimp to see hidden objects and communicate with each other in ways we are only beginning to understand. With its lightning-fast punches and incredible vision, the mantis shrimp is a formidable predator, a testament to the power of evolution to create senses far beyond our own. Our journey takes us now to the most extreme environments on Earth, where we encounter a creature that seems almost indestructible, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic animal, measuring just half a millimeter long, can survive conditions that would kill almost any other living thing. From the vacuum of space to the crushing pressure of the deep sea, from boiling water to temperatures near absolute zero, the tardigrade can endure it all. How does it do it? By entering a state of cryptobiosis, where it essentially shuts down its metabolism and dehydrates itself, becoming incredibly resistant to extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Imagine being able to survive being frozen, boiled, irradiated, and even shot out of a gun. That's the incredible resilience of the tardigrade. Our exploration of extreme survival takes us deeper into the microscopic world, where we encounter creatures that defy death itself, the rotifers, also known as wheel animals. These tiny invertebrates, barely visible to the naked eye, possess an astonishing ability. They can completely dry out, becoming seemingly lifeless dust particles, only to be resurrected by a single drop of water. Imagine being able to halt your biological processes, becoming dormant for decades, and then springing back to life as if nothing had happened. That's the reality for rotifers. During their desiccated state, rotifers can withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. This remarkable adaptation allows them to colonize even the most inhospitable environments, from desert sands to the cracks in rocks. The rotifers, a testament to the tenacity of life and the boundless creativity of evolution. Our final journey takes us to the frozen north, where we encounter a creature that embraces the cold in a most extraordinary way, the Arctic wood frog. As winter descends and temperatures plummet below freezing, the wood frog doesn't seek shelter or migrate south. Instead, it does something truly remarkable. It freezes solid. Imagine your blood turning to ice, your heart stopping, your brain activity ceasing, yet somehow you survive. That's the reality for the wood frog during its frozen hibernation. To protect its vital organs from damage, the wood frog produces a special type of glucose-based antifreeze that prevents ice crystals from forming within its cells. This allows it to survive being frozen solid for months at a time, thawing out good as new when spring arrives. The wood frog, a testament to the power of adaptation and the incredible resilience of life in the face of extreme challenges. From the shape-shifting mimic octopus to the immortal jellyfish, from the regenerating axolotl to the frozen wood frog, we've explored some of the most mind-blowing superpowers in the animal kingdom. These incredible adaptations remind us that the natural world is full of wonder and that even the smallest creatures can possess extraordinary abilities. Which of these abilities would you want? The power of invisibility, the gift of regeneration, the ability to survive the harshest conditions? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible journeys into the world of animal superpowers.